If you've ever tried buying game currency, accounts, or items online, you know it can be a pain finding a safe site. That's where Z2U comes in, and in this video, I'll show you how to sign up, log in, browse the homepage, and check out popular games like EAFC 26 and Fortnite. When you first visit Z2U.com, the layout might seem busy, but it's actually really easy to navigate once you know where things are. At the top of the page, you'll see Register and Login buttons. This is your control panel. Right below that, you'll find all the main categories: currency, top-up, items, accounts, boosting, gift cards, software, and more. Everything is clearly organized, so whether you want V-Bucks for Fortnite, EAFC 26 coins, or a pre-built Valorant account, you can find it in just a couple of clicks. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see the hot game section with the most popular titles people are buying for. And further down, trending deals, top sellers, delivery times, and reviews. This makes it easy to spot the best offers without guessing. Signing up on Z2U is quick and painless. Click register, enter your email and a password, agree to the terms, and then verify your email. Logging in is just as simple, though if you're using a new device, Z2U may send you a security PIN. Enter the PIN and you're in. If you forget your password, you can reset it instantly. This keeps your account secure while letting you get started fast. Once you're logged in, browsing games is straightforward. For EAFC 26, you'll find listings for coins, accounts, and boosts. Every listing shows the price, estimated delivery time, seller rating, and reviews. You can sort by fastest delivery, cheapest price, or best reviewed seller. This transparency is huge because it means you never have to worry about being scammed. For example, if you're looking for quick Ultimate Team coins, you can pick a seller who guarantees delivery in a few minutes. Fortnite works similarly, but with even more variety. You can buy V-Bucks, skins, full accounts, weapons, items, or even level boosting services. Delivery is often instant, and listings are clearly labeled with seller ratings and reviews. Whether you're trying to grab a rare skin, level up quickly, or buy V-Bucks for a friend, you can see exactly what you're getting and who you're buying from. One of the biggest questions about Z2U is whether it's safe. The platform has a trading protection system, which is basically an escrow. When you buy something, the money doesn't go to the seller right away. Z2U holds it until your order is delivered. If anything goes wrong, Z2U support can step in. They also have 24/7 live chat, so if you need help or have questions about an order, you can talk to someone in real time. Sellers are ranked by performance, and higher-ranked sellers have badges that make it easy to pick the safest option. Z2U isn't just about game currency and accounts. They also sell gift cards, subscriptions, and software keys. So whether you need a Windows key, Netflix subscription, PlayStation card, or Spotify Premium, you can get it all in one place. On top of that, Z2U has an affiliate program. If you share your referral link and someone buys through it, you can earn a commission. It's a great way for content creators or community managers to make a little extra money without doing anything complicated. Overall, Z2U makes online game shopping simple, safe, and organized. You can sign up in seconds, log in securely, browse popular games, find the best deals, and even discover extras like gift cards or software keys. With delivery estimates, seller ratings, reviews, and the trading protection system, it's easy to feel confident in every purchase. Whether you're picking up coins for EAFC 26, V-Bucks for Fortnite, or anything else, Z2U puts everything you need in one place. If this video helped you understand how Z2U works, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me which game or item you're checking out first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And by the way, if you sign up right now using the link in the description, you can get double scores, and sellers can get a reduction on commission.